Hello students. See, our first chapter, organic chemistry, right? Some basic principles and techniques. The last previous questions, how many questions asked in that? Actually, wait a moment. 76 questions asked. 76 questions asked. So I hope I try to explain at least 50 questions, right? Previous NEET as well as JE also. And moreover, advanced IIT advanced also I will explain. Right now, the we'll go for NEET questions, previous, right? So what is that our chapter? First chapter, that is what? Some organic chemistry. Put heading, साथ साथ लिखना बेटा, right? Organic chemistry, organic chemistry, some basic principles, and techniques. And IQUS techniques. This is our फर्स्ट चैप्टर. यस, दिस इज अवर फर्स्ट चैप्टर. बेटा जी ध्यान देना, ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री का पहला चैप्टर, द प्रीवियस जेई क्वेश्चंस, राइट? सॉरी, previous NEET questions, JE questions also I will explain in between, right? You don't bother about that, right? So my dears, my humble request, and make the notes, beta cup, book, and sit along with pen also, my dear. So साथ साथ लिखना, सुनने का, लिखने का बेटा ध्यान देना, right? So the first question, what is that first question? See here, I will write here the first question. The number of, first question beta ji, that is what 2019 asked. 2019 asked, right? 2019 asked, my dears. 2019. Is it is appeared? No. Wait a moment. कहाँ से लिखना बेटा जी? Okay, done. See here, 2019 question. First question, that is, see first question, that is 2019 asked. 2019 question. NEET में पूछा गया question. Very important, right? Like these models appears regularly, beta. So see here, the first question. साथ साथ लिखना question. The number of sigma bonds. Sigma bonds, comma, right? And pi bonds in pent tween 4 ion. See, so this is our question. So what is that question? Our question is, first question, बेटा जी ध्यान देना, 2019 में पूछा गया question. The number of sigma bonds. This is the symbol of sigma bond, my dear, beta, right? And pi bond तो आपको पता होगा, right? चलो, pi bonds in pent 2 in 4 ion. So what we have to do first of all, बेटा जी ध्यान देना यहाँ पर. See, write the structure first of all. Write the structure. So pent means what, sir? Pent means 5 carbons, sir. Pent means 5 carbons, right? Make the structure first of all. Right? Make the structure. Right? Pent means what? Root word. Root word. Pent means what? Root word. बेटा जी यहाँ पर ध्यान देना. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons. 5 carbons means pent. If 4 carbons means but. This 6 carbons means hex. Right? I hope you know that. Right? Okay. Right? See beta. Pent. And 2 in. So I consider this first carbon. This is second carbon. This is third carbon. This is fourth carbon. This is what? Fifth carbon. Clear? Right? First carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon. Right? Now see, 2 in, 2 in. See sir, in का मतलब बेटा जी ध्यान देना यहाँ पर. This is belongs to what? This is belongs to suffix बेटा, primary suffix. Right? See, in का मतलब बेटा जी in between carbon and carbon, double bond present. That is called as what? In. Right? Make a note. This is very, very important. Right? ध्यान देना बेटा. In between carbon and carbon, double bond is present. Double bond is present. That is called as in. Right? It belongs to primary suffix. Okay? Chalo. Next 4 ion. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ion means what बेटा? अरे यार ion का मतलब in between carbon and carbon, triple bond is present beta. Triple bond is present, right? This is belongs to ion beta जी ion, right? हमारे मन में आता था बेटा, हम स्टूडेंट थे, जब हम समझते थे ऐसा था बेटा. C triple bond N. Sir, this is not belongs to ion. This is not belongs to ion बेटा जी. ध्यान देना यहाँ पर, right? Sir, in between carbon and carbon, that belongs to what? Ion. If in between carbon and nitrogen, any other atom, that is not belongs to what? Ion. If per suppose take the C double bond O, right? C double bond O, right? 4 bonds रहना ना बेटा. Sir, C double bond O. So this is also not belongs to what? In beta ji, in. So what is that conclusion? That conclusion is that in between carbon and carbon, double bond is present. That belongs to in. If carbon and carbon in between, triple bond is present. That belongs to what? Ion. That's all. Right? Chalo. Next. So now see. Almost finished beta. Right? Now we have to fill up the hydrogens. Here 3 hydrogens. 3 hydrogens. Sir, why sir? Why not 2 hydrogens? Why not 1 hydrogen? Sir, carbon का valency बेटा जी, valency 4 बेटा जी 4, right? 4. Off. Carbon का valency कितना बेटा जी 4. 4 valency. Sir, 4 means that should be possess 4 bonds. Generally बेटा note करके लिख लेना यहाँ पर. If carbon positive charge there, it makes 3 bonds. If carbon negative charge has, it makes 3 bonds. Right? Now you have to listen and keep in that mind beta. Right? Please. Right? If negative charge there, 3 bonds. If no charge, in that case 4 bonds beta ji, 4 bonds. How many bonds? 4 bonds. So it is any charge is not appeared, so that is the reason 4 bonds. So right sir, here see, observe careful sir. 1 2 3 finished. So remaining required 1 hydrogen beta ji, 1 hydrogen. Right? Here also what? 1 hydrogen. Why? Because 1 2 3 4. Clear? I hope you clear. Right? 4 bonds. Sir, here how many hydrogens do I put, sir? How many hydrogens do I put here? Can you? Yes, you are right. No hydrogens required. Why? Because 1 2 3 4 bonds already finished. So beta ji, not required. So what about this carbon, sir? 1 2 3 is finished, remaining 1 hydrogen, right? This is our total structure beta ji. Now see one more very important point here. Make a note. All single bonds are all single bonds are sigma bonds. All single bonds are sigma bonds, right? And in double bond db लिखते बेटा, आप पूरा पूरा लिख लेना बेटा जी, db, right? Double bond, one is sigma bond, one is pi bond, one is pi bond. So what I want to say that, sir, if in double bond there, one is sigma bond, one is pi bond. See, in double bond, in between carbon and carbon, double bond is there, one is sigma bond, one is what? Pi bond, right? See, sir, what about here, sir? What about here, right? See, in triple bond, make a note, this is also, right? In triple bond, right? One is sigma bond, two are pi bonds. That means. See, observe carefully here. If like this there, beta ji, right? This is one sigma bond. This is one pi bond. This is one pi bond. This is another pi bond. So कहने का मतलब बेटा जी, सुनो ध्यान देना, in triple bond, right? In triple bond, one is sigma bond, two are pi bonds, right? Two are pi bonds. Now observe careful बेटा, कलर चेंज करते बेटा जी, चौक इसका आंख किधर गया, चलो बेटा जी, ध्यान देना. See, this is what? Single bond, sigma bond. This is what? Single bond, sigma bond. This is what? Single bond, sigma bond, right? This is sigma bond, single bond. Clear? This is sigma bond, single bond. See beta, all single bonds are sigma bonds. See sir, observe careful sir. In this, one is sigma bond, one is pi bond. This is sigma bond. Here, this is also sigma bond. Why? Because these are all single bonds. See my dears, now look at the carefully, right? This is sigma bond. This is what? Pi bond. This is what? Pi bond. Right? This is single bond, sigma bond. बेटा हम यहाँ पर एक ट्रिक बोलते हैं, ट्रिक समझो, राइट? हाइड्रोजन कभी भी सिंगल बॉन्ड ही फॉर्म करता बेटा, ध्यान देना, राइट? हाइड्रोजन मेक्स ओनली सिंगल बॉन्ड, सो दैट इज द रीजन इफ हाइड्रोजन दिखा बेटा, दैट मेक्स sigma bond. All single bonds are what? Sigma bonds. That's it, right? Chalo. Now just you have to count. Now, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, sir, how many sigma bonds, sir? 10 sigma bonds. 10 sigma bonds, right? How many pi bonds, sir? 1 pi bond, second pi bond, third pi bond, right? How many pi bonds, sir? Likho beta, 3 pi bonds, right? So this is our answer beta. Option diya, check kar lena beta ji, right? So options I did not write. Why? Because it takes a lot of time. So that is the reason sometimes I did not write. So my dears, please be focused, right? Don't bother about options also beta. Once take the screenshot. Okay, chalo. So beta, this is our first question finished. See, once again, small recap for this question. See, all single bonds are sigma bonds, point number 1, right? Next, in double bond, two are, sorry, in double bond, one is sigma bond, one is pi bond. In triple bond, one is sigma bond, two are pi bonds. Two are pi bonds. हाइड्रोजन का बॉन्ड बेटा जी every time single bond, that is sigma bond. That's it बेटा जी. Okay, चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 2019 का हो गया बेटा. चलो ध्यान देना, नोट्स अच्छा बना लेना बेटा जी. राइट, मेक नोट्स परफेक्ट, पुट न्यू नोट्स, all organic. Right, JEE means NEET advanced, all questions I will explain बेटा जी. बट वक्त होगा, थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, बट डेली I try to upload 3 to 5 questions, right? 3 to 5 questions. So please share to your friends, right? Next question बेटा जी. Right, which of the following this is 2018 asked, right? Second question. This is 2018 asked, right? Which of the following? Which of the following? Which of the following molecules represents the order of the number of sigma bonds, sorry. Okay beta ji, right? Which of the following molecules represents order of hybridization? sp2 comma again sp2, sp again sp, from left to right, left to right, right atoms. This is actually 2018 asked, my dears. Here the required to write options. Why? Because without options we cannot do anything. So that is the reason I am writing options beta ji. 2 options I will write. So be focused. One is the right option I will write. Another one is I will write wrong option. That's it. That is more than enough. Right? See, first option I will write here. Triple bond, C triple bond, CH. Second option, that is CH2, double bond, CH, C triple bond, CH. See, in this, my dears, actually the one is the right option is there, another one is wrong option is there, beta. So my humble request, once what asked here, observe carefully. So sp2, sp hybridization. So before going to attempt that question, right? यहाँ पर हमारे को require होता बेटा थोड़े points. So first of all, you have to be focused. See here. 4 sigma bonds. 4 sigma bonds. Make a note, important beta. This is very important. ध्यान देना इस पे. 4 sigma bonds. That belongs to what? sp3 hybridization. What? sp3 hybridization. Is it clear? Right? Now observe careful beta. अगर 3 sigma bonds है तो बेटा जी 3 sigma bonds that belongs to what? sp2. 3 sigma bonds that belongs to sp2. If 2 sigma bonds that belongs to sp, my dear. I hope you clear everyone, right? See, once again समझने का कोशिश करना बेटा. अगर 4 sigma bonds रहे तो what is hybridization? sp3. Sigma bond का मतलब बेटा single bond, right? 4 single bonds are present. So that is the reason that is belongs to what? What? sp3. If 3 sigma bonds, that belongs to sp2. If 2 sigma bonds, that belongs to what? sp hybridization. Now here, observe careful. The first option. Just now I said, see, this is sigma bond. This is what? Sigma bond. In triple bond, one is sigma bond. This is one pi bond. This is pi bond बेटा. अरे बेटा जी ध्यान देना, इन ट्रिपल बॉन्ड पे 2 पाई बॉन्ड होंगे बेटा, होंगे, राइट? एक सिग्मा बॉन्ड होगा बेटा. बेटा जी यहाँ पर ध्यान देना, पाई बॉन्ड से लेना देना कुछ भी नहीं है बेटा जी, कुछ भी नहीं है, राइट? वो ध्यान में रखना, राइट? पाई बॉन्ड्स not to play any role in hybridization, right? So that is very right. Chalo. See beta ji, sorry for interruption again and again, right? Chalo. See, this is single bond, right? Sigma bond. This is single bond, sigma bond, right? In triple bond, one is sigma, one is pi. So my dears, humble request. Here, observe careful. This is belongs to what? sp hybridization. Why? Because only 2 sigma bonds. This carbon belongs to only 2 sigma bonds, right? So that is the reason. That is sp hybridization, right? See, sir, this is also this carbon also. See, observe careful, sir. This carbon also belongs to what? 2 sigma bonds. So that is the reason sp hybridization. So similarly, here also this carbon belongs to what? 2 sigma bonds. So my dears, this is sp, right? This carbon belongs to 2 sigma bonds. So that is the reason sp beta ji. See, this sigma bond belongs to this carbon as well as this carbon beta ji. ध्यान देना उस पे, right? So next see next, observe careful. This option, left to right asked beta, represents what? Which of the following molecules represent the order of hybridization sp2, sp2, sp, sp from left to right? Means like this, right? Chalo. See, observe careful beta. This is the right option actually. I will elaborate this structure actually. See, carbon, 4 carbons are there, right? Chalo. Here 2 hydrogens. Nothing I am doing beta. Just I am elaborating the structure. That's it, right? Here double bond there. Put double bond. Right here 1 hydrogen there. Put here 1 hydrogen. Right here no hydrogens. Triple bond. Right here 1 hydrogen. So focus beta. ध्यान देना यहाँ पर, right? See, this is what? Single bond, sigma bond. In triple bond, 1 is sigma bond, 2 are pi bonds. Clear? This is single bond, sigma bond, right? This is single bond, sigma bond. This is what? 1 sigma bond, 1 pi bond, right? This is sigma bond, this is sigma bond beta ji. I will write once again here, right? All single bonds are sigma bonds. In double bond, one is sigma, one is pi beta ji. One is pi, right? In triple bond, in triple bond. One is sigma bond. One is, sorry, two are pi bonds. बेटा जी ये ध्यान में रख लेना, right? This is very important, right? At least 4 to 5 times read these important lines, right? This is very important in the box, so be focused, right? Chal. Now, see sir, 1, 2, 3, 3 sigma bonds. 1, 2, 3, 3 sigma bonds means what, sir? sp2 hybridization. Sir, what about here, sir? 1, 2, 3. What is the hybridization, sir? sp2 hybridization, sir. Sir, this carbon, see, sir. 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 sigma bonds, beta G, 2 sigma bonds. sp. Sir, this is what, sir? 2 sigma bonds. What is this hybridization? sp, sir. So that is the reason from left to right, sp2, sp2, sp, sp, right? This is the second option is right option, beta ji. Or the options hai, beta ji, but need not. I hope you clear, everyone. See, once again, small recap for this question. See, like these questions generally appear in our NEET beta. So first of all single bonds are sigma bonds. बात नंबर 1. बात नंबर 2, in double bond, 1 are pi bond, 1 are sigma bond. बात नंबर 2. बात नंबर 3 बेटा जी, in triple bond, 1 is sigma bond, right? 2 are pi bonds. And the very important point, pi bond से बेटा जी लेना देना कुछ भी नहीं है बेटा. It does not affect on hybridization, right? So pi bonds effect नहीं करता बेटा hybridization के लिए, right? Sigma bonds, just you consider sigma bonds, number of sigma bonds, 4 sigma bonds रहे तो बेटा जी sp3. अगर three sigma bonds रहे तो बेटा जी क्या sp2. If 2 sigma bonds are present, that belongs to what? sp. That's all बेटा जी. I hope you clear, everyone. Please take down. Okay, चलो, otherwise take the screenshot. Okay, second question 2018 का हो गया बेटा. Right, chalo. Third question. What is our third question? 2008 में पूछा गया question. 2008 में पूछा गया question बेटा. The state of hybridization. The state of hybridization. The state of hybridization of C2, comma, C3, comma, C5 and C6 of the hydrocarbon, hydrocarbon. Beta ji, hydrocarbon means organic compound. That's all, right? Chalo. Hydrocarbon. What is the structure? See beta, CH3, right? CH double bond, CH, right? CH, CH3, C triple bond CH. This is first carbon, this is second carbon, this is third carbon, this is fourth carbon, this is fifth carbon, this is what? Sixth carbon, this is what? Seventh carbon, betaji. Seventh carbon, right? This is 2008 asked third question, beta. Third question. Options नहीं लिख रहे बेटा जी क्योंकि वक्त it will be takes more time, right? So directly I will explain. See, be focus. So what I asked here? C2 hybridization asked, C3 hybridization asked, C5 hybridization asked, C6 carbon hybridization asked, beta. First of all, what? C2. See, observe carefully. Actually, I will elaborate the structure for our convenience to explain, right? Chalo. H, here one H, here one H beta, CH3 is finished. Next C, CH3, CH3, right? Next beta ji, here one H, double bond, right? CH, this is H, CH3, C triple bond, CH, right? So first of all, if given like this, you have to elaborate this like this structure. Why? Because it is to identify hybridization is very easy, right? चलो बेटा. So क्या पूछा बेटा यहाँ पर? ये first carbon, ये second carbon, ये third carbon, ये fourth carbon बेटा, ये fifth carbon. This is what? Sixth carbon. This is what? Seventh carbon, right? Now second carbon asked beta. So second carbon, observe careful. Second carbon. This is sigma bond, right? Single bond. In triple bond, one is sigma bond, another one is what? Pi bond. Pi bond, right? Two are pi bonds. In triple bond, one is sigma bond, two are pi bonds. In triple bond. See बेटा जी बार बोल रहे हैं हम, ध्यान देना इस पे, right? In triple bond, one is sigma bond, two are pi bonds, right? This is single bond, sigma bond. Now see, this second carbon belongs to two sigma bonds. So that is the reason, my dears, this belongs to sp hybridization. That's it, right? Next see beta, क्या पूछा यहाँ पर? Third carbon पूछा बेटा. So third carbon, this is single bond, sigma bond, this is single bond, sigma bond, this is single bond, sigma bond. All single bonds are sigma bonds. ध्यान देना बेटा, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon belongs to 4 sigma bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is the reason this belongs to what? sp3. Now see what asked beta. Here fifth carbon asked. So this is what? Fifth carbon. In that fifth carbon, in double bond, one is sigma bond, one is pi bond. This is sigma bond. This is what? Sigma bond. So this carbon belongs to what? How many? Right? Sigma bonds. 3 sigma bonds. So that is the reason. क्या होता बेटा जी यहाँ पर? अरे बेटा जी sp2, right? Sir, next क्या पूछा बेटा? Fifth carbon. Next sixth carbon पूछा. Next sixth carbon. See, this is sigma bond. Already sigma bond. This is one sigma bond. This is one sigma bond. So that is the reason. बेटा जी ध्यान देना यहाँ पर. Right? ध्यान देना बेटा. ये 4 sigma bond. This carbon belongs to 4 sigma bonds. So that is the reason it belongs to what? sp3. Now here you have to write C2 carbon, sp, right? C3 carbon. Where is C3 carbon? Right? sp3, right? C5 carbon, right? sp2, right? Next see beta, 6th carbon, that is sp3. Option check कर लेना बेटा, right? This is our answer, beta ji. Right? So how to tackle this question? First of all, the small recap. See beta, first of all, you have to elaborate the structure. बात नंबर एक, right? बाद में बेटा जी, write the sigma bonds, identify the sigma bonds and pi bonds, right? After that, you have to go through this question. See, four sigma bonds that belongs to sp3. If two sigma bonds, that is sp. If three sigma bonds, that is sp2. Once again I repeat, see, four sigma bonds sp3, three sigma bonds sp2, two sigma bonds sp. That's all beta ji, that's all, right? So I hope you clear everyone. Please take down. चलो स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेना बेटा. The third question, 3 questions are finished, right? So what I want to say that actually here identify sigma bonds, pi bonds are very crucial to find out hybridization beta. Find out hybridization. So last point I will write once again. See, take down this is 4 sigma bonds. 4 sigma bonds means what? sp3. 3 sigma bonds. 3 sigma bonds, that means sp2. 2 sigma bonds, that means sp, right? So this is very 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 important बेटा जी, ध्यान देना इस पे, right? चलो आज का small session, 3 questions, right? Tomorrow onwards I will enhance the questions, right? But बेटा जी ध्यान देना, right? Make the notes, right? And revision is our success. To success. रिवीजन करना बेटा जी, कितना रिवीजन करते ना, जितना हमारे को याद रहता बेटा जी. ये पर इस बात पे ध्यान देना. only how to remember बेटा, just revision. अरे बेटा जी एक बाद में बोलेंगे, चलो. So this is your Savish. बेटा जी subscribe, share to your friends, please. This is my humble request.